Welcome to Nation's grill cleaning training. Each store should have received a grill cleaning kit. Included in your kit should be an MSDS sheet, a set of instructions, a set of scouring pads, a scouring pad holder, a squeegee, and some sample packets of the cleaning fluid. To begin, use your grill scraper or metal spatula to remove loose food buildup. Once you have scraped the loose food and debris from the surface of the grill, set your grill to 325 degrees. This temperature will activate the cleaning solution. Now, gently pour the Scotch Brite Quick Clean solution onto the surface of the grill. One packet of solution will do approximately 3 feet of the grill surface. Be careful while applying the solution. If it splashes, it may be as hot as the surface of the grill. Using the scouring pad and scouring pad tool, gently spread the cleaning solution evenly across the surface of the grill. It may be easier to clean half of the grill at a time. The scouring pad can be used to clean the backsplash and side splashes of the grill. Let the solution sit for approximately 30 seconds. As it starts to bubble, it will loosen all the stuck-on debris. With the scouring pad and tool, this time apply some pressure and scrub the surface of the grill. If your scouring pad holder or squeegee tool are damaged or lost, they can be reordered through the operations department. Be sure to scrub the entire surface of the grill and any adjacent splash guards that have built up debris. Once you have thoroughly scrubbed the surface of the grill, use the squeegee tool to remove the cleaning solution and debris. Be gentle when using the squeegee tool so that you do not splash yourself with the hot cleaning solution. The surface of the grill should be shiny and clean. If there are any dark spots or debris left over, it may require more time with the solution and the scouring pad. The cleaning solution only works on a hot surface. Although you can scrub the hot edges of the grill where buildup often collects. The used cleaning solution can be scraped down the drip tray and thrown out with the cooking debris and oil. You can now turn down the temperature and shut off the grills. Once the grill has cooled down a little bit, cleanup is easy with some water and a wet cloth. Be sure to remove all excess cleaning solution. This cleaning solution is a food-safe product, and cooking can be done immediately after cleaning if necessary. Keeping the tools clean is very important and can easily be done at the wash sink with just water.